Just like I recently did, I'll demonstrate your distinct ways for you to make money online by watching YouTube videos. I recently made $1,000 online, and all I did was watch YouTube videos. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. AddMeFast.com, a marketplace for social media engagement exchanges, is the first platform we have, absolutely free. To begin, only click the Try for Free link below. Following that, you can register by supplying your own details, including your password and email address. Your dashboard will seem like this once you've completed those steps and verified your email. You will essentially be accumulating points on this platform by engaging with other social media profiles, which will reward you with points. For instance, you may follow someone on Facebook or watch or like their Facebook updates or YouTube videos. You will get points for completing any of the tasks listed here, but you cannot really cash them out via this website. You won't need to worry though, since I'll go into great detail on how to convert the points you earn on this website into real money. Simply scroll down to where it says YouTube views and click on it to start earning points for viewing YouTube videos. As you can see, watching this video for 30 seconds is worth 7 points. I will have 7 points after watching this movie for 30 seconds. Just click here where it says View Video to open a new tab. You will still earn the points even if you lower the volume. The only equipment you need to use this website, which is accessible from anywhere in the world, is a computer or smartphone. As a result, you will score more points the more videos you view. I'll show you how to convert them into real money you can withdraw. These points will exchange for cash that can be used any way you choose using a third-party website. The next step is for you to visit the ADD site/link and click on it to be directed to the website where you may add your own social media accounts to gain likes, followers, and other things of that nature. For instance, by visiting this website and adding your Instagram account, you can get Instagram followers. If you watch 800 videos on YouTube, you may obtain 800 points, which you could then swap for 8,000 Instagram followers. You only need to paste your Instagram username here and choose followers from this page to start getting real Instagram followers from our service. In order to complete this process and sell those Instagram profile with followers, go to PlayerUp.com. Don't worry, the next strategy will be simple. I realize that converting those points into Instagram followers and then selling them can be a difficult procedure for some of you. I'll also show you in this video how I made this much money by doing nothing but watching YouTube videos. So click here where it says Instagram accounts for sale after clicking here where it says Instagram accounts. We will now talk about microworkers.com, which is the second tactic or website. Here, you may come across a variety of simple tasks you may complete to earn money, such viewing YouTube videos and completing surveys. It is moreover totally free. To start producing money, you don't need any prior knowledge or experience. To make your own account, simply click the register button, fill out the required fields, and confirm your email address. Your dashboard will then appear. You only need to click on jobs here at this time to be taken to this page. You can identify folks who are getting paid for others to view their YouTube videos by going to this page, where it states Video Music Sharing Platforms. This is a list of the pay ranges for various positions. For this, you will be paid $1. For that, you will be paid 30 cents. For that, you will be paid $3, and so on. Don't worry, I'll give you 2 suggestions on how to increase your income despite the fact that this is a little amount of money. Let's now talk about the third tactic. Visit ShrinkMe.io, a link shortening platform that pays you each time a person clicks on your link, as your third option. Click register from here to make your own account and to see the payment documentation of users who have profited from our website. As you can see from the list below, they also pay you in a variety of ways. Hence, after creating an account here, click here to begin constructing short links. By visiting YouTube and beginning to watch videos that have received millions of views, you can learn how to make money with this. This tactic can be used with popular videos. such as hilarious animals or other viral movies. I'll pick just one video to demonstrate how this works right now. Let's use this one as an example. Copy the movie URL, return to shrinkme.io, paste it in this box, select shorten, and then copy the shortened link that appears. With this address, you may now view the YouTube videos as well. In the future though, you'll get compensated if someone clicks on this link. The next action is to download the video thumbnail, which may be seen in this image. You only need to enter Google Download YouTube Thumbnail into the search box. Click the top result, copy the video URL, and then paste it into the box that appears. You can see that once you click Obtain the thumbnail image, the image will show. The download will begin on your device as soon as you click here where it says Download HD Thumbnail Image. Right now, go to imgur.com website. Every day, millions of individuals visit this website. Simply click here where it says New Post, select Pick Photo, upload the image you downloaded, and then enter the title of your film once the upload is complete. This is the title of the video that I'm referencing. The title of the video you're using must also be pasted in this section. You can then upload it and earn money each time someone clicks on it by pasting the ShrinkMe URL and entering something like Watch from here. You only need to click the Publish to Community button here, but you may also add categories if you'd like. So let's return to the most current website, which is also my favorite because that's where I was able to generate 500, and it is also the one that I like best. You can see that the fourth site on our list gives you the chance to make $2 for every minute of video transcribing. You might receive $10 if a video is 5 minutes long. For example, all you have to do to get paid is convert the given video to text. You'll be required to watch the video and transcribe it, which is writing down everything stated. In this scenario, they may send you a YouTube video, podcast video, or something else of a similar type. In essence, that is how you will be making money in this situation. This website's domain name is Revcom. It is also entirely free and authorized. As you can see, our website has received content from over 750,000 visitors already. Several tasks are available online, but for now, we'll provide you the freedom to make money whenever and wherever you like. You can choose how much or little effort you put in, and the next step is to scroll to the bottom of the page and choose the Become a Freelancer option. You have access to a huge selection of jobs on this website. You'll always be able to locate work here, and you'll get paid into your PayPal account each week. There is no better place to be than right here. By providing your personal information in the field below, you can register for this sort of website. You must first enter your first and last names, email address, and country before hitting the next button, which is a little farther down the page where it says Learn More. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.